So, on the behalf of Samskriti School of Engineering, I am welcome you all to the online Spark 2020 MSET coaching classes. Being a part of it, we are saying about straight lines. We'll go for some more problems. Okay. We are going to start so in the straight lines only. In straight lines, we'll go for some more problems, and then sir will come and join you to do some other topic. Come on, write down the problem. Stop chatting. I am seeing you stop chatting when the class starts. So automatically, whenever you have a break, at the time you can chat or do something. If the slope of the line, x by a plus y by b minus 1 into, plus k into, x by b plus y by a minus 1 is equal to 0 is minus 1. Then the value of k is dash. See here, if the slope of the line x by a plus y by b minus 1 plus k into x by b plus y by a minus 1 is equal to 0. Sir, a video love change. Okay, sir. Now, see the question. Okay. If the slope of the line x by a plus y by b minus 1 plus k into x by b plus y by a minus 1 is equal to 0, then the slope of this line is equal to minus 1. Then the value of k is dash. Okay. First of all, you can go for simplifying this. So after simplifying, what you are going to get? X by a plus y by b minus 1 plus kx by b, multiply this one, plus ky by a minus k is equal to 0. Minus k is equal to 0. So now you can take x term as separate and y term as separate. So take x as a common in these two. If you take x as a common, what you are going to get? 1 by a plus k by b plus, in these two terms, take y as a common. So y, if you take out common, 1 by b plus y by a, k by a. Okay. And these two terms you write down somewhere else separate. Minus 1 minus k is equal to 0. So let us consider this is a constant. Totally it is a constant. Okay. So totally it is a constant. See here, comparing this with the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is the slope of a line? Slope of a straight line m is equal to minus b by a. Sorry, minus a by b. Minus a by b. Now, what is a here? This one. Okay. So, formula is minus ax. Totally, you can consider this as a, this as b. So, minus of 1 by a plus k by b divided by, okay, 1 by b plus k by a is equal to minus 1. It is given. Slope is equal to minus 1 they gave. Okay. If they gave minus 1, minus minus get cancelled and simplify it. 1 by a plus k by b is equal to 1 by b plus k by a. Okay. Bring all k's one side and 1 by a minus, you bring this side, 1 by b is equal to k by a, you bring this side, k by a minus k by b. 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to k into k, take it out. So if you divide these two terms, both are same, automatically you can get 1. So k is equal to 1. So like this, you are going to do the problem. See here, if the slope of the line x by a plus y by b minus 1 plus k into x by b plus y by a minus 1 is equal to 0, then find the slope of that line is minus 1. Then the value of k is equal to dash. So simplify it. Okay, multiply this and go for this. Automatically, in these two terms, I am taking as k common. So then automatically what it becomes 1 by a plus k by b. Take out y as common in these two terms, 1 by b plus k by a minus 1 minus k. Write down. This is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. I am saying that x into 1 by a plus k by b plus y into 1 by b plus k by a minus 1 minus k is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then comparing these two, automatically x is there, automatically a is this. Slope of a straight line is minus a by b. So minus a, this is the term a, minus b, this is the term. So automatically cross multiply it. 1 by a plus k by b is equal to, if you bring this side, this into 1, this 1 by b plus k by a. So 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to k by b, k by a minus k by b. So 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to k into 1 by a minus 1 by b. So k is equal to 1. This is the answer for this line. Now we can go for one another. So anyhow, we are going to conduct the test on Monday again. So including this chapter, till now what we taught, from starting onwards till now what we taught, including straight lines, I am giving the, okay. The syllabus is from starting onwards till now today, what we taught. So everything we are giving on the test. Okay, get ready for test. Okay, I am stopping now.
So now, yeah, taking. So you told us not. There is no audio. Okay, now I think you are hearing, and yes. So now they said you told it. So okay, now let us start now. Actually, we are the last session we are seeing about the functions, and in that functions, first we started with the set theory, and then set. What do you mean by sets and everything? And we went for relations. What do you mean by relations? And then now we are seeing the functions, and we stop with one or two problems on functions. And what do you mean by a function? Function. And after that, what is the types of functions we have seen? Then in that function, we have started with the the relation from x to y is called a function, and for every x there is a unique y. That is the main condition. For every x there is a unique y. That means what? X is f from x to y, and so for every x, for every element of x, there must be at least one y. So not at least, only one y, unique y. Okay. So if that means what? This is okay. So this is acceptable, but this, for example, you are having like this means it is not acceptable. It is not acceptable. This is not a function. Why? Because this one goes to two things. It is not a function, first of all. Then there are some elements which is not having an image. This is called an image. This is called pre-image of this one. And this is domain, and this is codomain or range. So for every element in X, there must be at least, not at least, sorry, again and again coming. There must be only unique Y. That's all. This is X, this is Y, means for every element of X, there must be unique Y. So this is not a function, and this is a function now. And we went for types of functions, and then many functions we have seen. Identity function, if it goes x to x, then it is called x to x, and defined for every x there is a, for every y there is a pre-image, and for every x there is a x, and it goes x to x, means it is a unique function and the identity function. And if we are having all elements in x goes to one element in y, it is called the constant function. And types of function we have seen, there are two types of functions. One is one-to-one and another one is on-to. So function, first we have seen the two types. One is one-to-one and another one is on-to. So one-to-one means what, on-to means what. That is the thing we must see that. And one-to-one means a function is called a one-to-one function if here one-to-one you will have like this, two x and y up from x to y. If you are taking means one-to-one, you take it and onto. That means what? For every, it is for every one value, it goes to only one value like this, and it is called one-to-one. So one-to-one means for every value of for every points of x, elements of x, there is one, there is a element in there is an element in y. So that is a one-to-one. It goes to only one. Okay, two elements will not go to one. That is the only condition here. And here the acceptance is nothing but one, if some elements will not having a pre-image also, it is accepted. This is image, this is pre-image. So some elements here is not having any pre-image, then it is called a one-to-one is accepted. Then next is onto. Onto means for every element in x, for every element in x and y, will let us take, and here like this. So now here it may go to like this also, it is acceptable, but for every element in y there is a pre-image. For every element in y there is a pre-image. So that is here some element or not having pre-image means it is not accepted. So for every element in y there is a pre-image, then it is called onto. And one name for one-to-one is injective or injection, and onto is called surjective or surjection. And these things are very important, injective and surjective. And then let us have two more functions we will see. Then that is, we will see two or three more functions which is which we can understand. For one-to-one and onto we understood. Now into function, into we will say one-to-one, onto, into function. Into function means into, if the range of x is not equal to the codomain, if the range of f is not equal to the codomain, and hence there is a element in B which is not an image of any element. That means what? So something is there, and one element will be there. So you can take 1, 2, 3, 4. Here A, B, C, D, and it goes like this. And one element is D, is not having any is not an image of any element in X. Then we call this as into function, and many to one function. Many to one function. Let us see the next one. Many to one function. Many to one function. So nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C. So now this is many to one function. This is many to one function. So that is two or more elements in A or in X. Two or more element in X goes to some elements they have same image in Y. So two or more element in X have a same image in Y. For example, these three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and A, B, C. And you can see that 1, 2, 3 has the image A, and 4 has the image B, and 5 has the image C. So now this is a many to one function. Okay. Now with this, let us go for next part. That is, we will go for the next function. So what is the function and how to that? Then let us go for, so now we are having 1 to 1, on to, into, many to one we have seen. Now let us go for a composition of function. Already we have seen, I think. So anyhow, we will composition of function. Okay. Composition of function means f composite g is equal to f of g of x. F composition, that means where f is a function from x to y and g is a function from y to z. Then f is a function from x to y, or n two functions means and the composition of f composite g is equal to x to y to z. So this is a composition of functions. So okay, so now, so it is defined as g of f of x or f of g of x, or g circle f circle g means this one, and g circle f means is equals to a g of f of x. So g circle f means g of f of x, you can see. Then g of f of x we will have. Now we will see some problems in this one, and let us have some problems into and we will see some problems in this one. If show that if f from R to R, where R is a real number, f from R to R, where R is a real number, defined by f of x is equals to 3x minus 1 for x in R, is a bijection. So we have to show this is a bijection. Okay. So now we have to show this is bijection. Now let us show this is bijection. Sorry for this. So much air it is there. So it's disturbing here. So much. So now bijection means what? If I am not told, we are saying injection and surjection. If the function is both is 1 to 1 on and on to, it is called a bijection, or injection as well as surjection. One function is having means it is a 1 to 1 function. Bijection function, we can say this. Now we have to prove that a function from R, where R is a real number and x is the element of R, and we are having at the function is 3x minus 1, It is a bijection. We have to show that. First of all, how to show whether it is a bijection one-to-one, how to check it out, whether this function is a one-to-one function or not. So now let us take two values, x and y in R. So now x comma y in R. So what we are taking two functions and we are a bijection means what? First of all, we have to prove it is one-to-one and it is onto. So now one-to-one means what? Every element has an unique. That means only one image. Every element has only one image we have to prove, and or we are having, we can see that, so that is one image. Otherwise we can prove every element in Y has only one pre-image. If they are having two means it is only one. That is what we have to prove. That is, let us take now f of x is equals to f of y. So now if f of x is equals to f of means we are taking two things as one, and if x not equal to y means we can say that it is onto function, but onto we are not proving, we are proving this as one to one. So what you have to prove is f of x is equals to 3x minus 1 and f of y is equals to 3y minus 1. So and what is this? Cancel these two, you will get 3x and 3y. 3x is equals to 3y. Cancelling it is x is equal to y. That means what? X goes to f of x and y, if they are equal means they are not going to separate values are not going to single function. It goes only to only one function. F of x goes to x and x is equal to y. This if you prove means f is 1 to 1. It is f is 1 to 1. Now let us go for f is on to. So what means we must have, there must be one for any element in Y. So Y is nothing but the element in R, X in R also, X and Y in R. So now what we are taking? So we have to find, so what is onto? We have to find an X in R. We have to find a X in R such that, find a X in R such that f of x is equals to y. So we have to find a x in R such that f of x is equal to y. But what is f of x? 3x minus 1 is equals to y. So 3x is equals to y plus 1. So x is equal to y plus 1 by 3. So one element here means has a pre-image we have proved. So now what is x is equal, if 3x minus 1 is equal to y, then x is equal to y plus 1 by 3. Hence, what is the meaning? Every element in codomain, every element y in codomain has as an x in domain. That's the remaining. As a x in domain. It is a very simple meaning is every element in codomain has a x in y. That is what as a x in domain. So every element this side has an element x in this side. That is what we are having. So f is onto. So f is onto we have proved. Now let us go for some problems here and another one problem we will see. Next one. Some problems we will see and we will go to next session also today itself. Now we will go for the next problem. F from R to R, f from R to R is defined by f of x is equals to modulus of x, x in R. Okay, x in R. Show that f is 1, subdivision 1, f is 1 to 1, subdivision 2, f is onto. So we have to show these two. Okay. So first of all, what is given? F of x is equals to modulus of x. It is given. So what we can write? This f of x can be written as x if x greater than or equal to 0. minus x if x less than 0. Minus x if x less than 0. Here, f is not 1 to 1. F is not 1 to 1. F is not 1 to 1. Why? Every from image to pre-image, if you are going, means only one must be there. But here, for example, let us take the number 1. So x is equals to 1. So modulus of x is also equals to 1. But modulus of x is this side, that is f of x is equals to modulus of f of 1 is equals to modulus of 1 is equals to 1. We are getting this. But for this 1, f of 1, two pre-images are there. What? 1 and minus 1 are two pre-images which is coming here. So in this side in domain, 1 minus 1 also goes to 1 and 1 also goes to 1. Okay. So minus 1 also goes to 1 and 1 also goes to 1. So f is not 1 to 1. Okay. F is not 1 to 1. Okay. And next value we can find f is not 1 to 1 we have found, and next we will go for f is not onto also. F is not onto. Okay. For example, f is not onto. Why? Because f is not onto. Why? Because onto means what? Every number in codomain must have a pre-image. So here R we have taken. R means real numbers. Real numbers if you are taking means 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, etc. going on like this. So now here if you put the function here 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So all these are in R. Okay. So now if you apply the function f of x is equal to 0 goes to x is equal to 1. F of x is equal to 1. And f x is equal to 1 goes to f of x is equal to 1, and x is equal to minus 1 goes to f of x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 goes to f of x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 2 also goes to f of x is equal to 2. But where is the pre-image for this? For minus 2 there is no pre-image. So since there is no pre-image for 2, it is not onto. F is not onto. Why? Because onto condition is what? Every element here in codomain must have a pre-image in domain. So every element in codomain must, this is a codomain or range. We will call this as codomain or range. This is domain. So every element here must have a pre-image here. So now let me tell it again. I will tell it. So what is given? R is given. R means what? Real number system. 0, minus 1, minus 2, etc. 1, 2, etc. Here I put minus 1, minus 2, etc. This is domain. And here codomain 0, minus 1, minus 2, etc. 1, 2, etc. Now, if you apply f of x is equal to given is what? Modulus of x. So if you apply x is equal to 0, goes to x is equal to 0. So f of x, you put here x is equal to 0, what is the f of 0 is equal to modulus of 0, modulus of 0 is equal to 0. So we got it. And x is equal to 1, if you put f of 1 is equals to modulus of 1. So modulus of 1 is nothing but 1. So it goes to 1. And f of minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 if you put means, f of minus 1 it will come, and f of minus 1 if you put modulus of minus 1, what is the value of modulus of minus 1? It is also 1, so this goes to here. And x is equal to 2, if you put x is equal to 2, what do you get? F of equals to modulus of 2, modulus of 2 is equal to 2, so we got this. And now f of minus 2, x is equal to minus 2 if you put means, f of minus 2 is equal to modulus of minus 2. What is modulus of minus 2? What is modulus of here? Put f of x. What is given? F of x is equals to modulus of x. This is the function given to you. So next, minus x is equals to minus 2 if you put means, What do you have? F of minus 2. F of minus 2 is equal to modulus of minus 2. What is the value for modulus of minus 2? It is 2. So it goes to minus 2 also goes to this. Understood now? So every element here goes to the positive value. What about, so what do you mean by onto? Onto means every element in the codomain must have a preimage. But what is the preimage of R minus 2? There is no preimage. So F is what? Not onto. F is not onto. So here F is not 1 to 1 and F is not onto. Okay. So now we have found that how to find F is 1 to 1 and how to find F is onto, and not onto means what is the condition, and not 1 to means not 1 to 1 means what is the condition we have seen. Okay. So now let us go for another one problem here, which is an answer problem now. So all these things argument we have seen. Now let us go for next problem. F from 2, 3 to IR. So a real number, integer real, defined by f of x is equals to x cube plus 3x minus 2. Then the range of f of x is contained in the interval. What is the range? Where is the range is contained? So just to put this end and this end, then how it comes we'll see. Now f of 2 is equals to what? 2 cube plus 3 into 2 minus 2. So what do you get? 8 minus 6 minus 2 plus 6 minus 2. So 14 minus 2, it is 12. Now f of 3, this end. So interval, this end and this end we are seeing 3 cube plus 3 into 3 minus 2. That is 3 cube is 27 plus 9 minus 2. So 27 plus 7, it is 34. So the range is, what is the interval? This interval, this, whatever number you put, that interval, these two numbers, between these two numbers, whatever number you put, the range will be 12, 34. In between 2 and 3, whatever number if you put here, you get the numbers, answer will be between 2 and 34. That is what we are proving here. Okay. So the interval is 12, 34. Now next problem we will see. Now next problem we will see. If f from R to C defined by f from R to C defined by f of x is equals to e to the power of 2i x for x in R. And then f is, they ask f is 1 to 1 or onto, or either 1 to 1 or onto, neither 1 to 1 or not onto. That is what. So f is what they are given. We have to find whether this function is 1 to 1, onto, or both not. Okay. So now since R is a real number and C is nothing but a complex number, now we know f of x is equal to what is given? F of x equals to e to the power of 2ix. But e to the power of 2x can be written as I2x. I2x means cos 2x plus I sin 2x. So we are getting cos 2x plus I sin 2x. So since it is in R every number is there, we can take pi and since it is a periodic function, that is a trigonometric function, we can take it ranges between 0 to pi. Let us take f of 0. So for 0, x is equal to 0. If you are taking means f of 0 is equals to cos 0 plus I sin 0. But sin 0 is 0, so cos 0 is 1. So f of 0 is 1. And let us take f of pi. F of pi. F of pi. So let us take f of pi. And what is f of pi? Cos pi f of pi is equals to cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is 1, I sin 2 pi is 0. So what do you get? It is 1. So what do you get? F of pi and two numbers in two values in 0 and pi as a single preimage. So it is a not 1 to 1. It is not 1 to 1. Understand now? Two numbers here. One number must go to single number only. Okay, one number must go to single number only. But what is happening here? One number goes to two numbers. One number goes to two numbers. Two numbers goes to one. Sorry, two numbers goes to one. That is, pi also 0 also goes to 1. Pi also goes to 1. So it is not 1 to 1. Okay. Now f is not 1 to 1. Now let us go for what about if for every image there is a pre-image. Let us see now. So let us take f of x is equals to 2. F of x is equal to 2. And is there is any pre-image for this? Because all the values between cos and sin will be between 0 and 1, and normally it won't go to 2. So f of x is equal to 2 as no pre-image, as f of f has no pre-image, So what we can say? F is not onto. So what is the answer finally? We are given 4 answers. For example, what the f is 1 to 1, f is onto, f is either 1 to 1 and onto, f is either 1 to 1 or onto, f is neither 1 to 1 nor onto. What is the answer? Answer is f is neither 1 to 1 nor onto. That means what? F is not 1 to 1 and f is not onto. Okay. So this problem is we have finished. Now let us go for the next problem. F from R to R and G from R to R. So no ink. G from R to R defined by f of x is equals to modulus x, and g of x is equals to x minus 3 for x in R. For x in R. Okay. Then G circle f of x of minus 8 by 5 less than x less than 8 by 5. They are given one interval instead of giving single numbers. The first problem we have seen that two numbers 2, 3 we have seen. Na? It is between an interval 2 and 3. Some numbers they are given. The same thing. The interval they are given as minus 8 by 5, 8 by 5. So what is the value f G capital F, that is G composite F. Okay, they are given G composite F is what we have to find G composite F. Okay, so now what is the value? Can you say, anybody? First of all, f of x. G composite F means G of f of x. First G of f of x, what you have to find?